What's up, guys? I'm making another video. I know I haven't been posting lately.
Wait, what the heck?
It's cause like
Hey, how do you get up there?
my brother,
I'm 12, bro. I think I'm cool.
he broke
bro.
the
Okay, I'm
charging
17.
well, like he bent the charging,
My friend's using a tattoo.
and I had to
Jack,
fix
you want to do that on the mic?
by using tweezers and like bending it back in place so it can actually charge.
I'll touch you.
And now, so now
This is like up to 2. Holy shit.
I'm making a new video to celebrate me fixing it. I'm guessing.
Hey.
What the fuck? I'm scared. Oh no.
Hey, please quit cussing,
I touched it.
cause I don't do that here.
What's happening? My FPS is like actually like so low right now. Wait, does that mean I can climb the?
I slipped.
Wait, does that mean I can climb the slippery walls with lower FPS?
Equals 16.
Oh my god, I kind of can. How did I make my FPS so low? I'm like actually on like 20 right now.
How do you have 20 FPS? Does that like give you an advantage?
Hi, guys.
Yeah, when you have lower FPS, it makes it so you can like jump farther and stick to walls easier.
How? How do I switch my FPS?
I don't know. Look it up.
Get a trash.
Well, you obviously know.
No, I don't know. It's a no. I play like 75 typically.
I like this camera mod.
You know how you do it? Get a quest 2. Get a quest 2.
Are you
Get
talking
a
about
quest
perks
two.
or,
I know. I have a Valve Index. Quest 2s. No. Quest 2s are like a lot more. Can you make these big? How are your snowballs so big?
Because I'm just
you can put them together.
I found it out already.
And then I got slammed dunk on them. Ain't no way little Timmy was last person alive, bro.
It's gonna be Gorilla 483.
Oh! Oh shit!
Oh shoot!
But he's not bad.
Why the hell did little Timmy just run?
I actually can't do shit right now. Like every time I jump, it stops me from jumping. I'm on way too low. I might have to restart my game because of that. That's no good. What do you mean don't? What the fuck's happening?
No, you're way too cool.
I'm way too cool.
Yeah,
No,
you're my
I'm too
guy.
cool for school. Oh, whoa. Oh, I'm gonna get your ass. Oh, I'm so afraid of hitting something. I have such a small place there.
Juke. Oh my god.
Idiot.
I hit my head. Stop.
Oh my god! Bro said juked and I fucking still got his ass.
I got it.
Oh.
Come here. Wow.
I got me.
Oh, come on.
I got me.
Oh, wait, leave this poor guy.
Guys, hey, guys.
I need to learn how to wall climb and wall climb. And I need to learn quickly.
I got this.
I'm at wall run.
What?
Cause like I know the like strategy.
It's like close.
It's just so hard sticking to the wall.
Yeah, I can hear that guy.
Damn it. That's close enough, bro.
What up?
Dude, I'm lagging so bad. I keep like, it keeps teleporting me
I'm
off.
taking it off.
What the fuck's happening?
I'm trying to take it off.